Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the crosses that were performed after the Mendel's experiments that were monohybrid and dihybrid cross. So now we are going to discuss the cross like test cross, back cross, supplementary and complementary crosses. Yes, test cross. Yes, what is a test cross? Yes, test cross is the cross between individual organisms in which we are crossing between the two organisms where one organism is of unknown genotype, that means whose genotype we do not know, and the other organism is of recessive characters, that means we are crossing the two organisms where one is the organism whose genotype we do not know and we need to find the genotype of that organism, and second organism is the organism which have the only recessive characters. For that character we are going to study about. So we have to cross between two organisms. One is of unknown genotype and second is for the recessive characters. So I have taken two conditions here. First example I have taken this one and second example I have taken this one. Why? Because we are going to test the unknown genotype of an organism, but that unknown genotype may be homozygous or heterozygous. What these words will indicate here? So I have taken in first case black guinea pigs, but that are heterozygous. Yes, whose genotype we need to test. So in this case, what is heterozygous? Yes, the alleles of a gene which code for a specific characteristic do not be similar. Yes, like capital B and small b are different. So these are known as heterozygous condition. But if we are crossing it with a recessive means if both the alleles will be similar, like small b, these are similar. So this is known as the homozygous conditions. So we are going to perform a cross between heterozygous black guinea pigs which we are going to be tested with the recessive homozygous guinea pigs. So we have taken this genotype. At the type of gamete formation, these alleles will be make their copies and alleles will be separate. So capital B, small b. In this case also small b and small b. So what would happen now? During the F1 generation, yes, you can perform in the similar way that you have done earlier also. But in this F1 generation ratio will be different like the earlier. How it will be different? I am telling you, wait. So you can see I have told in the monohybrid and dihybrid cross that F1 generation that will come, so the result will be similar always, but it is not true in the test cross. Yes, you can see here like capital B and small b, that is a heterozygous black, and this is a recessive black. So how many are there? 1, 2. I can write here 2. These are 1 and 2. These are also 2. 2 1 2 2 1. So result will be 1 is to 1. So this will be the F1. This is the F1 ratio that can shown here, but exact ratio will be this. So test cross is of two types: monohybrid test cross or dihybrid test cross. If we are going to study about an organisms and we are going to study only one trait at a time, that is known as the monohybrid test cross. But if we are going to discuss two traits simultaneously, so that is will be the dihybrid test cross. But question arises, what is the aim to perform the test cross? Yes, test cross is used to find out the genotype of an organism, and that organism may be heterozygous or homozygous, but main motive is to find out the genotype of the dominant character. So in first case I have taken here the unknown genotype of the heterozygous organism, where we find that we can find two type of results here. Yes, this will be the white. Yes, 1:1 can indicate that one will be black and one will be white. Yes, because these will indicate the white and these two will indicate the black. In the second case, we need to find out this one, but it is homozygous black guinea pig. We will cross it with the white guinea pig, that is also homozygous. That means in this case we are taking both the homozygous parents. So during the gamete formation, I write gametes and these are the parents. So we can cross it. What will come? Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. This will be the F1 generation. So you can see here all will be same. Yes. Capital B, small b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, capital. That means all black. Okay. So it will depend what type of organisms we are going to study for the test cross. If we are taking the organism of a non-genotype is of heterozygous, in that condition it will show the characters of the dominant only. Okay, but it will show the two type of results here. One is of recessive also and one is of dominant character also. In this case we can study if we have taken the recessive character, parent of the recessive character, that can express here. But on the other side we have taken a heterozygous, that is not pure black, so it will give the result of the black also. But if we are taking the homozygous black guinea pigs and we will cross them with the white guinea pigs, these are the recessive characters that cannot be expressed in the presence of dominant characters. So in the F1 generation results will be same. So in the monohybrid test cross, result will be 1:1. But if we are discussing about dihybrid test cross, like we have taken the example of the pea plant of the round seed with tall plant with the home, and we will cross these heterozygous parent with the recessive. So it will give the result 1:1:1:1:1. And in the monohybrid it will give only, because I have taken the example of monohybrid cross here, and I have told you also that result of the dihybrid cross, because so many times NEET will ask about the ratio. Okay, what will be the ratio of monohybrid test cross and what will be the ratio of the dihybrid test. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about the back cross after studying about the test cross. Yes, back cross. I have written here also. Back cross is the cross between an organism of the hybrid genotype. Yes, I have clearly mentioned hybrid or heterozygous genotype, cross between the organism of the hybrid or heterozygous genotype with one of the original parent. But question arises, how this heterozygous or hybrid organism we can obtain. So let us take an example. If we are taking the homozygous black guinea pigs, capital B and capital B indicate the homozygous conditions. So these are the parents. So these parents will make the gametes that can express here capital B and capital B. And if we are crossing this homozygous black guinea pigs with the homozygous white guinea pig, that is shown by the genotype with small b and small b. So these are also making the gametes. So in F1 generation, we can get the results of the hybrid, all hybrid organisms which have genotype capital B, small b, capital B, small b. So we can obtain hybrid organism by crossing the homozygous dominant characters with the homozygous recessive characters containing organisms. So we can obtain hybrid organism. Then we can cross. We can take these hybrid organisms that I have taken here and we will cross with the homozygous dominant black. Yes, I have drawn a line here also. We have taken homozygous dominant black characters So this is a cross between a hybrid organism that is obtained from the F1 generation, and we are crossing it with the one of the parent that is homozygous for its characters. Then what we will obtain? So these are here parents. So these will make the gametes like this. So here also capital B, capital B. Now what would happen? Yes, capital B, capital B. In this case, capital B, small b. In this case, also capital B, small b. In this case, capital B, capital B. You can see here also. So, capital B containing this one, that having the pure black character is 2, and that are having the hybrid character is also 2. But what is the thing that is common in all of these? Yes, all are black. Yes, either we are taking the hybrid organism, but if you are crossing this hybrid organism with the heterozygous with the homozygous dominant characters, then we will got all the characters which are is of dominant type. So all will be black. So this method is used by the plants and animal breeders to obtain the desirable characters of the specific type. This is known as the back cross. Why the name is given as the back? Because firstly we have to go to the hybrid organism in the F1 generation, then we will take the result of the hybrid organism here, and we are crossing it with one of the parent. That is why it is known as the back cross. Thank you, beta.